Welcome guys, I'm Atal from Top of the Technology. Today I will teach you how we can create logo picture and also profile picture. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. For creating picture, you should open your Google and search here AI picture tool. This is online site. You can create picture, every kind of picture you want from your idea. Click on first on image creator from Microsoft Designer. When you open this, you will face with two options like explore ideas and other one is creation. Write your own issue, which kind of picture do you want. Like I wrote a text here, like I wrote a text by the name of, I want to create a logo by the name of Top Gaming. Like as you can see, Top Gamer. This is my logo and also my text issue. I wanted to create this kind of logo picture. Another one, I will also show another one. Like I want to write here, I will cut this text. I want to write another issue. Every kind of picture without logo, without profile picture. If you want to create some another picture from your idea, like logo by the name Top Athel Technology. This is another issue I want to make. This is too longer. I will short this text. Top Gaming. Top Gaming. Weather gaming picture. Click on creating. You should wait just a few minutes, sorry, a few seconds. Yeah, look at this logo pictures. I will show a simple. This was another logo. Now I will write a text about the picture, profile picture by name Top Atal. Profile picture by name Top Atal. Gaming. Wait just a few seconds. Yeah, this is my profile pictures by the name of Chapatal. Like as you can see, I will show you. Open this picture. Believe me guys, I am really impressive from this site, because just by writing a text you can get different pictures from here. Just you write a text and also you get the picture. It's really amazing, believe me. Like as you can see, just I wrote the text by the name of Capital. Like as you can see, it's very amazing. Thank you for watching video guys. Bye.